Hey, it's dude. That's a crew with his ice cream. And that's a Tapir in its exhibit. We're at the Fresno Chaffee Zoo to see this right here. Exactly. You come crew with us too. Good ice cream? Buenos days, crew. Here we are. Well, we're not in the Fresno Chaffee Zoo yet, but we're on our way there for a reason that Jason actually doesn't know. You don't know, do you? What can possibly happen today, right now, Jason? It's not something that we paid for. It's not something that we were invited for or anything. But we'll see if we get to. We'll see. Jason wants to be misted. Oh dang! It's missing. Oh, it missed. It missed.
Miss your mom.
It missed.
Oh,
dang. Roasted. And the thing is, oh, Jason. Look at it. Whoa. Oh, dude, and it's in there. Oh, dude. Yeah. Oh my gosh, crew. Jason, you're doing it, dude. Great job. Hey. You did it. Whoa. Hey, they covered the pipes. Good job. Good job. I like that. The Tapir's back that way. But it's open. Jason, it's open. I thought there was going to be a bit more happening in the water. Right now it's just the Tapir. This is crazy. This is crazy. Step, Jason. Stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. There it is. Yeah. Anteater where? It's in the water. It's doing the Tapir thing. Now it's out. Okay, Jason did bring up an awesome observation, is that there's no sign. Good job, Jason. At least up here. I don't know about down there. They have a sign. But there's no sign here saying this is a Tapir. Babrusa would also be here, or a munkjack. This is really cool. People are getting excited for the Komodo dragon. I like it. But this is amazing that this is open. A whole new eating, seating area. Now that whole spot's gonna look a lot more open. Hey look, there's Zookeeper Lily. Oh dude, even the bamboo looking dillies up there.
Yeah.
Good show. Look how cool that looks now. There's nothing obscuring the view. You can see the tree all the way back there. Trees. Someone said right now, this is better than Six Flags. Yeah. You're right. I didn't say it, they said it. A cool view now, walking up to here. No obstruction, just exhibits. Opens up the land a whole lot better. Alright, here we are. Lower level. Alright, they do have a sign right there saying coming soon. I like that door. That door is really cool. How you doing?
William is his second day out here today, so he's exploring the new space, getting used to it. He's been swimming a lot, so he's having a nice, fun summer day.
There's no solid ideas of the behind-the-scenes encounter, close-up counter. That's still being made. But there he goes, William.
Oh, that's what he has, a real tiny one? No, that's and the other one has a big one. Oh, okay.
Dude, that is amazing. And they probably won't get the other animals till the end of the summer. So William's gonna have a good amount of time to get used to his space. He's back in the water. This dude loves to swim. Or maybe doesn't quite realize yet that it doesn't have to go in the water to get to that side. Whoa.
What is that? Daddy, what is that? Is this a wildebeest?
This adventure is pretty much just going to be this. That was awesome. Really cool how there's different pools, even all the way right here, where if it would like, it could swim. William really loves to swim. This door looks really cool.
Mom, can you give me a spoon?
Even like the tunnel. Oh, there's a sparrow on the tunnel. There it goes. It's out of the water. It's just lying around. Squirrel. But it's just lying around. Right? 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 Yeah. Dude has a big head. Doo-doo. So here at Kudu Cafe, asked about their daily specials, and they got Oreo nachos. Yeah, I've just been standing here for maybe like 5 minutes, staring at misters in the ground. And then like a group of people came to the fence gate daily too, and started looking this way. There's nothing here. I'm just looking at misters. I get entertained by all kinds of little nothings. This being one of them. Don't judge me. Jason's trying to tell me something I don't know what he's trying to say.
You should make a Jungle Cruise kind of ride with the Jungle Cruise sounds. You know the
Here?
elephant. Yeah.
Oh yeah, well. Oh, nice, yeah. Alright crew, that was the adventure here at the Fresno Chaffee Zoo to see the tapir in its space. I know this wasn't a crazy long adventure, maybe very quick. I'm pretty much just showing you the exhibit, that's all. But we had to come because all I knew is that the exhibit area was open. I didn't know that the animal, the tapir, was going to be in there. That was a very big surprise. Cool though? Mm-hmm. Yeah. The crew, thanks so much for hanging out with us. You hanging out is something you never ever have to do on purpose or by accident. I truly appreciate every single second you give us, because you could be doing something else. You're all awesome. Thanks for crewing. Thanks for adventuring. What is your Burger King order? Yeah, trash in my fries. I get double Whopper with cheese. Usually, we're eating in the BK lounge area because Jason wanted to be cool and hipster and sit like this, not at a table. Because we don't do that now. We don't do that now. Because you're a hipster. Yep. You can get a crown if you want. Oh, and something that maybe you didn't know is that this Burger King has been here since 1954. This is the very first Burger King.
It's not true.
You don't know if that's not true. Oh yeah, bonus clip, bonus clip, bonus clip. Say bye.
Bye.
Oh, almost fell.